Hi, I'm Erin Sawasser, POC Clinical Application Specialist for GE Healthcare. I'm here with Elizabeth Erickson Newman, and we're excited to introduce you to the new Scribble feature on the Venue family of products for point of care, the Venue, Venue Go, and the Venue Fit. Let's get started.
Scribble is a tool meant to assist the user during system training and teaching. This provides the user with a touch-operated pointer and allows for free drawing that is visible on external monitor and/or shared screen. Scribble is available for the following screens: Scan, Patient, Config, Review, Worksheet, and Lung Sweep. Scribble is also available with the AI tools CNerve, Auto Beelines, and Real-Time EF. Scan the anatomy of choice. Scribble can be used on an active image, a frozen image, or a recalled image. Tap Settings on the upper right corner of the touchscreen, then tap Scribble. A floating menu appears on the screen containing the following buttons: Pointer, Pen. Toggle between pen and pointer by tapping each. The active button is highlighted accordingly. Pointer is highlighted and active by default. This includes a drop-down menu with a capture button depicted as a camera icon. While teaching or presenting, use Pointer to actively point out areas of interest. Tap the camera to capture the image, including the pointer. Using this function captures a screenshot, and no changes can be made to the stored image or pointer. To draw circles, arrows, or to add freehand text on the screen, tap Pen, then the drop-down arrow. A menu appears with the following selections: Undo, Redo, Clear All, and Capture. On an active, frozen, or recalled image, you can actively write comments and draw on the image. Tap Store to save the image and all the scribbles. Scribbles can easily be removed from a stored image. Recall an image with text or drawings from the clipboard or from the review screen by double tapping. Swipe the image to the right and all scribbles are removed. Tap Store to save the image without scribbles or add new scribbles as needed. From the drop-down menu, tap the camera icon to capture the image and scribbles. This function will capture the screenshot and no changes can be made to the stored image or scribbles. Tap Undo to delete the last image text or drawing. Tap Redo to add the last cleared text or drawing back onto the image. Tap Clear to remove all scribbles from the image. Close Scribble by tapping the X at the upper right corner of the Scribble menu.